Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about expressions, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, an expression is a combination of values, variables, and operators that can be evaluated to produce a result. Expressions are used in various parts of the program, including assigning values to variables. Here, 5 plus 2 is an expression that evaluates to 7 and is assigned to the variable x. Performing arithmetic operations. Here, x plus 2 multiplied by 3 is an expression that evaluates to 21 and is assigned to the variable y. Comparing values. Here, x greater than y is an expression that evaluates to false and is assigned to the variable result. Conditional statements. Here, x is greater than y, question mark, x colon y is an expression that evaluates to y and is assigned to the variable max. Expressions can be as simple or as complex as needed and can include multiple operations and evaluations. Careful attention should be paid to the order of operations and the use of parentheses to ensure that the expressions are evaluated correctly. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.